Meet Josh. He lives online and spends most of his time surfing the internet like YouTube, Facebook, shopping, dating, games, books, and news. But most of the time when he is online, he gets annoyed due to lots of irrelevant ads, signups, or subscriptions. He gets frustrated and leaves the site. Online advertising is everywhere on the internet these days, almost covering every inch of web page, so it's hard to find what you were looking for. Wondering, is there any way to get the maximum out of internet advertising? Yes, there is. Introducing ClickPlanet. ClickPlanet has found an innovative way for internet advertising that allows you to share your message with the right audience by using a smart way to introduce products, campaigns, and advertisements to internet surfers. So when Josh is searching for an upcoming movie, ClickPlanet sneaks in the best relevant ads like cinema tickets, daily meals, or shopping. And these ads are relevant to what Josh is looking for, and he will love to see these products. Josh is pleased already. It is a new way of content matching. ClickPlanet finds out relevant ads in your searches and brings the most suitable ads to you. How awesome is that? ClickPlanet offers a new customized way to improve your standard advertising by providing cool new simple management tools for advertisers, and of course improving the publisher's site with the most relevant ads. Go to www.clickplanet.com to learn more.